Hello friends, welcome to Educative Curve. This is Somrita and today we'll learn more about modals. Okay? So today we'll learn about used to. Now, used to is usually not used now. We have replaced used to with would. Used to is the older form of this modal would. Okay? See, we used to use used to denote habitual action of the past. That means he used to go to Delhi by car. That means in the past he went to Delhi always by a car. Okay. Now how would we use used to with would? See, Dina would study at noon. That means Dina studied at noon before. Now maybe she doesn't study or not studies. That doesn't matter really. But she used to study at noon. Dina would study at noon. Both denote the same things. Okay. To denote discontinued action, he used to play hockey. That means he played hockey at a point of time, but now he has discontinued playing it. She would water the flowers every morning before she died. So before this person's she died, she watered the flowers every morning. Okay. So this is an action that has been discontinued by this death. Okay. Used to is also used as an adjective. He is used to getting up early. That means he is gradually making a habit of getting up early. Okay. He was used to my mother's wake up call. That means my mother used to call me every day in the morning and I used to wake up to that. I was used to that. Now maybe I am gone to the hostel or somewhere and my mother is not there to call me up. So I am saying that I was used to my mother's wake up calls. Okay. So this is it for used to. Now we will see the use of would. Now I will teach you about would. Okay. So see, would, as I told you earlier, that is used in a habitual action. Right. Like used to. He would go to Delhi by car. That means he usually goes to Delhi by car. So I can also write he used to go to Delhi by car. Okay. So see, would is also used for polite request. Would you please help me? It means I am asking for help. I am politely asking for help. Would you please help me? Future in the past. That means in the past I predicted a future and it has already happened now. Right? So see, she told me that she would visit me. That means she promised me in the past that she would visit me sometime in the future. Okay? But she told in the past, that's why we use would over here to predict the future already in the past. Okay? Now wish. I would or should like to play. Here we can use should or would. Anyone would do. I would like to play. That means I wish to play. Okay. It is my wish to play. Now possibility. She would be 16. Now if I write she is 16. That means that she is already 16. Right? But when I say she would be 16, it means that there is a possibility that she is going to turn 16. Okay? Now that is it for used to and would. So this is my video tutorial today about would be and used to. Okay? In the next video, we'll talk about need and dare. Okay friends, that's it for today. So please like, share, comment, click the bell option for notification and please subscribe to our channel for more videos on grammar and spoken English. And please see the description box. There will be an exercise given on this topic that I have taught today. And thank you very much.